Making polite requests and offers. Mastering English modal verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're focusing on modal verbs and how you can use them to make polite requests and offers. Modal verbs are a very important part of English grammar that can help you communicate more effectively. So, let's dive in. Modal verbs are special types of verbs that express necessity, ability, possibility, and most importantly for our lesson today, permission and requests. Some common modal verbs include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. Each of these can be used to make your English sound more polite and formal, especially when making requests and offers. When making polite requests, we often use the modal verbs could, would, and can. Here are some examples. Could you please pass the salt? Would you mind if I opened the window? Can I borrow your pen? Remember, using please with these modal verbs can make your request even more polite. To make polite offers, the modal verbs could, can, and may are commonly used. Here are a few examples. I could help you with your homework, if you'd like. I can pick you up from the airport. May I offer you some coffee? In each case, the modal verb softens the statement, making it sound more polite and less demanding. While can, could, and would can all be used to make requests and offers, they have slightly different levels of politeness. Can is the least formal and is best used in casual or familiar settings. Could is a bit more formal and is a good choice for professional settings or when you're speaking with someone you don't know well. Would is the most formal and is often used in very formal or ceremonial situations. So, choose your modal verb based on your situation and the person you're speaking to. That's it for today's lesson. We hope this video has been helpful in teaching you how to use modal verbs to make polite requests and offers. Remember, effective communication isn't just about what you say, but also how you say it. Practice using these modal verbs in different scenarios, and you'll soon be a pro. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!